Hello everyone, my name is Anton. I'm a language teacher, life coach, teacher's coach, and welcome to my small course about Russian language. I decided to create this course because it came to me that I want to put together all my knowledge and techniques and organize it and share it with you here on YouTube. So hope you'll find it useful. This course is for complete beginners, so if you are new in Russian, it's a really good place to start. The only one thing that you should know before starting in this course is like the Russian alphabet, Cyrillic alphabet, because I haven't created any video. I don't know why, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube, so just check it out. And yeah, actually you will be able to study the Cyrillic alphabet in like 2 or 3 hours. So yeah, it's not that scary as it seems. So the information in this course is given, in my opinion, in the most convenient and logical sequence. And every video will be accomplished with a practicing video. So you will be able to strengthen your knowledge and skills. Once again, this course is a completely new experience for me. So if you find this course useful, please let me know in the comment section below, and probably I will continue to do what I'm doing now. Couple of words about my approach in teaching. So when I teach Russian, English, or like Spanish, whatever, I try to explain grammar concepts in a really simple way using a lot of examples. In my opinion, providing a lot of examples is a really quick way to understand the concept of the language. So let's check what topics we will cover during the next 10 days. We will start with common words, then we will go to genders, then we will learn to basic groups of verb conjugation, then we will study the verb to have, then the structure my name is. After we have prepositional case and irregular verb to live, then we will finish actually with the accusative case and verb to love or to like. In Russia, it's sometimes the same, you know. After these 10 days, you will be able to consciously and please pay attention consciously, because we're not going just to drill, my name is blah, blah, blah. We're going to break these rules down and try to understand how it works. So you will see during the course. During these 10 days, you will be able to consciously tell a story about yourself and your friends. Something like, for example, my name is Anton, I'm a teacher, I live in Moscow, I like to swim and read, I don't like to play football, I have a friend, he's a teacher too, his name is Jake, he lives in Istanbul, he has a dog, her name is Roxy, she likes to walk a lot. Something like that. Of course, you will be given, more varieties of verbs and words. It was just an example. So how would I suggest going through this course? At first, don't rush anything. Don't try to watch all videos at once, because our brains actually are able to absorb a certain amount of information at a time. So yeah, step by step. Okay, deal? If you don't understand something, just write in the comment section below or calm down, because sometimes, for our brain, it takes time to understand some concepts. For example, for me, it took probably 6 or 7 months to understand how I can use the present perfect tense. And sometimes I still make mistakes. During this course, we will learn a lot of words, a lot of new words maybe for you. Don't try to remember all of them, because at the end you'll remember the words you need. Of course, if you want to learn them, don't force yourself to do something if you don't like it. That's it. In the next video, I'll explain some grammar terms which I'm going to use during this course, so you'll be prepared. I highly recommend to watch it. What else should I say? Like this video, subscribe on my channel, leave a comment below, you know that stuff. So yeah, and let's start learning Russian. See you. Keep on moving on.